Hi, and a very good day to you. My name is Kyrene Chong from Spajos D&D. Our specialty is to help protect the walls, ceilings of your home, and in this video, we are sharing our experiences and knowledge on how you can create and repair your ceiling for a new fresh look. If you find this video tips useful, please like and share and subscribe. However, if you are thinking of seeking on experts to help save time to create your ceiling awakening paint for a good look, you can count on us to do this. To click on our WhatsApp link and it will bring you directly to our contact. Thank you so much and see you soon.